The big breaking news that is coming in this evening: Bollywood has come together to seek a redressal against the irresponsible, derogatory and defamatory reporting by certain media houses. The industry's top names, including top actors and production houses, Dharma Productions, Salman Khan, Aamir Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Farhan Akhtar, Anil Kapoor and Ajay Devgan, among a whole host of production houses, have come together. These are 4 leading Bollywood producers and 34 production houses that have actually come together to file a civil suit in the Delhi High Court against Republic TV, Mr. Arnab Goswami and Pradeep Bhandari of Republic TV, Times Now, Mr. Rahul Shivshankar and Ms. Navika Kumar of Times Now, and unknown defendants, as well as social media platforms. These platforms have also been urged in this petition that's been filed in the Delhi High Court to refrain from making or publicizing irresponsible, derogatory and defamatory remarks against Bollywood. They've also been asked to refrain and restrain from conducting media trials of Bollywood personalities and interfering with their right to privacy. This is Bollywood finally breaking its silence on the 2-month-long trial that the fraternity. Several questions that have been asked of the Bollywood and drug nexus. Several top industry names have been questioned by the Narcotics Control Bureau. This is the big breaking story that is coming in. My colleague Rohit Khilnani now joins us with all the updates. Rohit, this is a big story that you're breaking for us this evening. And, in that list of 34 production houses that you've sent us, the who's who of Bollywood have finally woken up and decided to take action against what's been happening.
Absolutely. What you're saying is the first reaction that anyone would have, that, finally Bollywood is waking up, because this has been going on for very long. Everybody has been witness to the kind of coverage that the film industry has seen, the slander, the language used against them. Be it one drug case, the entire film industry has been painted with that brush. And finally, the film industry has got together, not just a handful of names. Every Bollywood producer is in this list, because film associations are also in this list. And these associations have all the producers, from Dharma to YRF, Aamir Khan Productions, Shah Rukh Khan's Red Chillies, Ekta Kapoor's production house, Salman Khan Films. So these are the biggest film producers who took a lot of time to decide what they have to do, because this did go out of hands. The kind of coverage we saw after the death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput. Now they've gotten together, and they've specifically said they are not against any kind of reporting. They don't want any kind of a gag order, but the kind of reporting that has been going on a few television channels, that itself is against the code of conduct. This is what they say. That the plaintiffs also praying that the defendants abide by the program code under the Cable Television Network Rules 1994 to withdraw and recall, to take down all the defamatory content, because whatever said and done, this content is still out there on the internet, on their websites, on social media, which took an ugly turn, and stars got trolled when they tried to go ahead with their work. Their trailers were abused, their acting was abused. Alia Bhatt faced this for no reason. She had no connection with that case, but when her trailer came out, it became the most disliked trailer. No one even knew something like that exists. But we've seen the kind of coverage that went on, and now they're taking on they've two channels, that's Republic TV and Times Now, and they've also named the anchors, because yes, everybody has seen the kind of coverage that went on air on these channels.
Yes, the petition has left, nothing to anyone's imagination. 2 channels along with top editors and anchors have been named here. They've also urged for restraint against a media trial. Social media platforms, Rohit, have also been mentioned in that petition. But before we talk more about the petition, break it down for us. The top names, the biggest names in Bollywood, people, who have been time and time again accused of staying silent, as Bollywood battles these last 2 months. There has been a lot of questions that have been raised on the stoic silence of the big names in Bollywood, but no more. literally all the top names and production houses that one can think of in the industry, including the Khans and the top directors and producers, have all come together.
In fact, we were all wondering, and we spoke about it on our channel as well, about the silence from the film industry. And now you name the producers: Amir, Shah Rukh, Salman. I could read out the names: Anil Kapoor Productions, Ashutosh Gowarikar Productions, Dharma Productions, Nikhil Advani Productions, Kabir Khan, Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra, Red Chilies, Reliance Big Entertainment, Sohail Khan Productions, Tiger Baby, which is Zoya Akhtar's, Vidhu Vinod Chopra Productions, Vishal Bhardwaj Productions. They all have come together. Clearly, a lot of thought gone into coming together because night after night there were shows done, night after night there were debates done on, also the words that were used. If one actor was caught with 50 grams of substance, the words that were used, they belong to a cartel and, they belong to some big gang that's operating within the industry. Now, those are very heavy duty words that even this industry is not used to. Maybe, actors were called for questioning, and as and when they called, they went and, they went to, and we saw Deepika Padukone, we saw Rakulpreet Singh, we saw so many actors called by the Narcotics Bureau, and they were, as and when they called, they appeared there. But soon after that, the same night, we would see shows and there would be a panel of people, 6 on one side, 6 on the other side, just shouting matches, which you have popularly seen on some channels, and now finally Bollywood taking them off.
Rohit, that's the big question. I mean, there have been media trials, there have been accusations, some very wild speculative theories with really no evidence. With the AIIMS panel report clearly suggesting that this was in fact a death by suicide, a lot of those conspiracy theories have been laid to rest. With bail that has been granted to actor Rhea Chakrabarti, one is questioning whether this is really about, an investigation into the death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput, whether it is about a drug nexus. What about the 3 agencies that are probing this? So, more questions than answers really. And the evidence here is, what has been the casualty? One hasn't really seen any evidence come out.
Absolutely no evidence come out, but what they managed to do in this is to tarnish the image of these women who were seen at the Narcotics Control Bureau office, whether be it Deepika Padukone, be it Sara Ali Khan, be it Shraddha Kapoor.